Kasama na po dun yung mga poll watchers, etc. Absence of the roster of official candidates last 60 days, posting of COMELEC rules and regulations to be approved by the Executive Board. Tapos na po yung 60 days. Whereas in view of the above-mentioned events and conscious of the sworn commitment to uphold the provisions of the CBL, all the 15 members of the EP presented manifested their refusal to violate the provisions of the above-mentioned articles of the Code CBL. Yan, eto. Whereas Article 8, Board of Trustees, term of office, a member of the board shall hold office for a term of 1 year and shall continue to serve until his successor shall have been elected and duly qualified. Thus, the incumbent members of the EP shall continue to hold office until such time that the duly elected for the new term shall be elected, and upon the appointment, approval, and confirmation of the new COMELEC, who will regulate and conduct the elections, except President-elect, who will assume the presidency beginning June 1, 2015, stated in Article 17, duties of the officer, the President-elect shall succeed the incumbent President during the next fiscal year, and the President will serve as the immediate past President as stated in the article of the PTCA. The President shall sit as ex officio. Okay? On May 8, 2015, board meeting, Dr. Corazon Flores and asked for the approval of the 3 members of the new COMELEC in the persons of Dr. Miriam Badir, Dr. Reynaldo Flores, and Dr. Minerva Econ decided to retract her, and Dr. Minerva Econ decided to retract her resignation. The board approved the members of the COMELEC subject to confirmation by the House of Delegates as per CBL ruling. Yan. So, okay. Also, on May 13, 1 day before the supposed date of election, the House of Delegates confirmed the appointments of Dr. Badir, Dr. Torres, and Dr. Econ as members of the new COMELEC of PDA. Chairman of the COMELEC declared there will be no election on May 2015. Therefore, yan, inuulit lang, for a term of 1 year and shall continue until his successor shall be duly elected. So in summary, the PDA, this was posted in the, sandali lang, sincerely believes in the sanctity of the ballot as a sacred instrument in helping establishing the leadership for our association. The PDA officers are the very product of such electoral process, and they are grateful for the opportunity to serve the association to the aforementioned exercise. Such gratitude is evident in their strong desire and definite acts of upholding their oaths, which include, among others, the protection and implementation of PDA CBL. In fact, it is the very same CBL which guided them in painstakingly making decision of holding the electoral process in abeyance until all constant challenges are prudently addressed. Although the decision may be unpopular for other sectors, it cannot be denied that every facet of the consensual action is based on sound legal dictum and moral foundation. Being the admin and governing body of PDA, which have been accorded the general membership's trust and confidence through the said constitutional exercise, we are not for no election, but surely we are and remain to be for the prudent implementation of the CBL of our dear association. Even if there will be no election at the PDA annual convention, the members are hereby assured that the affairs of the association will be in order and will be addressed by the very same PDA officers whom the members have elected in their elections. Okay? So yan po yung summary, nasabi na rin yan kanina, but I just like to point out yan. Ito po yung set, ito po yung set opinion. And such holdover dictum is supported by the SEC in its SEC Legal Opinion Number 1131, dated July 31, 2011, and May 18, 1993. The general rule is that there must be an annual election of directors on the date fixed in the bylaws. However, in the case of the failure of the corporation to hold an election due to some valid and justifiable reasons, The incumbent members of the board may hold over their office until their successors are duly elected and qualified. The members of the incumbent executive board are duly elected officers and thus the product of an electoral process which guarantees everyone the exercise of their right of suffrage. The same executive board which still do respect such cardinal right given the chance. However, the prevailing and outstanding circumstances present no such opportunity. That's all. So may I call Dr. Econ if you have any questions because I cannot answer them. Thank you.
So do we have any questions based on the presentation of Dr.
Kailan ang election?
So, microphone, sir. Dr. B.
So basic on the last part about comment that you read, let's put a stop to something that is really painful coming from the minds and mouths of some of our members. Please clarify this. From that ruling, it means that the whole over officers have the mandate. Okay, that's all I want to hear.
Any other discussion on queries?
Kailan ang election?
Hearing none? Please raise your hand po. Ganito ka kasa.
Okay. May clarify lang ako. Nung nag-resign po yung COMELEC, kasi kung tama naman yung ginawa nila, bakit sila nag-resign? Yes.
Yes.
Kahit makaluwal lang.
Tama naman na.
Yes.
So ano yung tama ginawa?
Hindi, yun ang tatanong ko. Hindi, bakit po sila nag-resign kung alam naman nilang nasa tama sila? Oo, nandun na tayo din manda sila. Pero kung tama naman, alam mo tama, ginawa mo, tama yung pagkaka-disqualify, bakit po nag-resign?
Yun nga, oo nga.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for the question. Sige, first of all, I would like to introduce myself, no? Kasi yung iba hindi nakakakilala talaga sa akin. I'm Dr. Minerva Econ as E-C-O-N. Okay? Not walang H. Okay. So, naging past president po ako ng PDA Laguna chapter during the presidency of Dr. Mario Esquillo. And my vice president during that time is Dr. Leo De Castro. Okay. So, natanong mo yan, Doktora. Anyway, I would like to recognize our second member, si Dr. Miriam Badir. Siya din po yung isa. Ewan ko kung gusto namin mademanda or hindi. Anyway. So, Doktora, ang tanong mo kung tama yung ginawa. Kung tama yung ginawa ng previous COMELEC, bakit sila nag-resign? Actually, I cannot answer that. Because, wala ako doon. Okay? Pero, ito yung sasabihin ko sa iyo. Sasabihin ko sa lahat. During that time, na sinomon yung complaint for that, we are on the process of doing our job. Ngayon, ako ay hindi kasama sa demanda. Ako yung nag-iisang babae nila. Okay? So, during the time, ang chairman is si Dr. Mon and the vice chair is, second member is Dr. Lee. And then, ano ang mangyayari? Tingin nyo ba kung kayo ang nasa katayuan nila? Kasi wala pa akong demanda eh. Do you think makakapag-isip ka ba ng tama? Yan ako ng tanong. Na tayo mga dentista, hindi tayo sanay sa demanda. Meron ba dito sanay sa demanda? Wala, di ba? And then, wait, Doc. Hayaan mo. Ikaw, sige. Okay.
Ma'am, ikaklaro ko lang, ma'am. Previous COMELEC member po kasi, nung nademanda na ni Dr. Centeno, Dr. Villalobos, and Dr. Andy, were Chito Ferrer, chairman, second member Hebron, third member Gonzales.
Yes.
So dito pa lang po, may demanda na yung dalawa.
Okay.
So tapos na. Si Dr. Dito, may papasok pong isa. So yun po, kinonfirm si Dr. Econ sa House of Delegates. So therefore, tatlo na sila. Ang chairman po ngayon, si Dr. Hebron na, second member Gonzales, and third member Dr. Yeah. Kinilaro ko lang po.
Okay. Thank you for the clarification. So, and then, during the time na nagsisimula na kami, ng evaluation lahat and everything, saan po kayong makakakita during sa last filing ng candidacy? Nandito na lahat ang mga kandidato. Okay? So, pero nabanggit na sa akin ng dalawa kong kasama na meron na silang demanda. Pero in spite of that, they are doing their job and we are doing our job. So, last filing of candidacy, saan ka ba naman nakakita? Puro tayo dentista. Meron kasamang abogado sa loob mismo ng room na ito. Hindi namin alam. Kayo ay mga abogado pala. I think they were 2 or 3.
Abogado niyo.
Na akala namin, lahat yun ay dentista. Di ba? This is a election for the PDA officer. So, namin puro dentista yun. Pero we have the right na palabasin. Pero hindi namin na alam eh. So, during the time, ako po yung third member, because of the previous na mga pangyayari, naging meticulous ang COMELEC. So, since ako yung third member, ako po yung nag-evaluate lahat ng papers, lahat ng dokumento. And I think, andito yung mga kandidato, yung mga may mga kulang, binibigyan namin ng chance na makapag-submit on the next day. And then, except for one. Right? Yung iba na-oath, merong isa na hindi na-oath. Dahil, iba talaga. And then that time, during sa evaluation ko, doon ko lang nalaman na may abogado pala sa loob. Nung nagtanong ako, at tinanong ko sa kanya na bakit something sa isa sa requirements. And then ang sagot niya sa akin is, Doktora, if you want, you can talk to my lawyer. Oh. Ano gagawin niyo? So doon lang namin nalaman may abogado. Since I cannot decide for that, ang sabi ko is, kay chairman ka mag-usap. And then during that time, the lawyer denied.
Sino ba yun?
Kasi hindi namin kailangan ng abogado. We are all dentists. Okay? Then after that, so nagkaroon ng constant concern with the other group and that. And that last talaga na medyo umano sa amin, para bang bumalaga sa'yo. That is almost 12 o'clock hours kami nagsimula. So, bilang isang, nagsisorb, grabe na exhausted na. Pero because of this PDA, because of this one,